your subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your problems with your Instagram account on your iPhone. So how you can fix it. So first thing, just close your Instagram app and just open it again. So just reopen your app. So just sign out from your Instagram account and sign in again. So this is the first way you can try. Another way you can try, just go to the settings, just check your internet connection. So just if you're using Wi-Fi, just find here Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, turn off and turn on again. So just maybe you need to restore your Wi-Fi router. So sometimes it also helps. If you're using cellular data or mobile data, just turn off and turn on again. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can try to just remove your app and just install it again from App Store. Also, you can try to find in App Store, maybe you have available updates for your app. So just go to search tab, just write in the search Instagram, just tap on Instagram, and now if you see here are not open but update, just tap on update button. Just wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates on your iPhone, and you will be able for opening it and using. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.